Good afternoon, YouTube friends, and today is our time to harvest our fermented fruit juice that we fermented last 7th of December 2020, and now is January 14, 2021. So it's more than a month, and this one is ready for extraction. So we're going to harvest it today, and I'll give you a closer look in a bit. Let's see what we've got here. Looking for. Okay. See. Oh. So as you can see here, YouTube friends, this is our fermented fruit juice, a mix of molasses and different kinds of fruits. So let's start the harvest. So we're going to use this 8-gallon pot to place our pulps because still it can be used to fertilize our plants. So what we're going to do, YouTube friends, is we're going to extract so that the pulp will be separated from the pure liquid using this improvised strainer. And I want you to see what we have extracted already down here, YouTube friends. I think it's a little bit dark, but that's the pure liquid from molasses and the different fruits that we fermented. And look at here, YouTube friends, as we are going down to the bottom, we've got the most pure and concentrated concoction here. We don't have much pulp left in here, but just pure liquid, somewhat like sticky one. And we've separated the pups already here, YouTube friends, because this one I'll be adding some water and we will fertilize our bananas, and this pulp here I'll add some water and we will fertilize our vegetable plants this evening, YouTube friends, while the rest of the concentrated liquid will be stored for future purposes, because we will be planting and planting this whole year 2021 as the pandemic still existing, so we don't have much access to the markets, as our place here in Canterbury is somewhat restricted due to some new COVID cases. So my only option is to plant more so that we will have less time to go to the market. As much as possible we will not go, and there are other vegetables that we cannot plant here and we have to buy, so that will be in Tesco or somewhere in Macro, because still we have the access there, but the daily markets they have here almost close, so we have to plant more, and that is why we need to have more fertilizers ready for consumption of our plants. And here, YouTube friends, we're about to finish extracting the liquid from the fermented fruits and molasses, which is FFJ, fermented fruit juice. That pure concoction, YouTube friends, is all what your plants need for flowering and fruit production of your plants, and even fruit trees. And after this, YouTube friends, we're done extracting our FFJ fermented fruit juice, which is rich in potassium, made from different kinds of fruits and molasses being fermented for 1 month, 30 days and more, much better. And potassium is responsible for the flowering and the fruiting of your plants and even your fruit trees. Now, here is the big surprise. YouTube friends, we've got a lot of concentrated liquid here. See that one? This could be around 40 to 50 kilos. So, YouTube friends, until here, we just finished extracting our fermented fruit juice, which is responsible for flowering and fruiting of your plants. And again, let me repeat that fermented fruit juice is being made from molasses and different kinds of fruits fermented for 1 month. So that is all, and thank you for stopping by and watching our videos. And if this video is somewhat informative, and if you'd like to share it to others, then please do, and we are more happy about that. And if you're a comeback subscribers and keep watching our videos, thank you for joining us in our journey to organic gardening. And again, I want to see you all in the next episode. See ya.